Welcome back, guys. Thanks again so much for stopping by. Hey, before we get started, I got something pretty cool to announce. We're going to give away a lift pump, an AirDog lift pump. Now, this one's absolutely free. All you have to do is follow Pure Flow AirDog on Instagram. Tag 3 buddies in the video or picture related to this giveaway on my Instagram, which is at truck_master07. And then just follow Pure Flow AirDog's Facebook. That is it. One thing that I love about diesel lift pumps is it separates the water, the dirt, and also the air from your diesel fuel, and it delivers pure diesel fuel to your diesel injectors, which is so crucial. It also maintains fuel pressure. It's just a better option for you. I recommend every single diesel, whether or not it's a Duramax, Power Stroke, or Cummins. I highly recommend a lift pump. And now I always recommend AirDog because it's just so much easier to install, less issues with their filters. It's just an overall better platform. Not only that, given that it's the holidays, it would be pretty cool to make somebody's Christmas. So good luck, everybody. Let's get into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and push the dumpster Cummins in the garage today, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull the bed off, and we'll go ahead and see how ugly the frame looks, because none of us know. So, you ready for this?
Sure. Not ready to steer that thing.
Yeah, you're steering, I'm doing all the hard work. We're gonna take the skid steer, and we're gonna push that thing uphill.
Not the first time we've done this.
Safe, this is not safe. All right, let's go, let's do this.
Gosh.
What?
I was using like every ounce of muscle to try to turn this wheel.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry, thank you. We got it in all crooked, but we got it in.
Yeah, I got my arm workout for the day.
Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this bed really quick, and it's gonna be pretty interesting. Alright, so before we start this madness, I've never pulled a bed off of a Dodge Ram before, but I'm sure the process is very simple. Good thing is I have my heat here. The garage really isn't insulated, but you know, I guess I'll get to that next year. But without further ado, let's get to work. Alright guys, so we have the bolts off the bed. Only took me about 30 minutes. Luckily the bolts weren't so rusted that I couldn't get them off, but I was able to get them off. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't really care about this bed. I don't care how I'm going to tackle this, how it's gonna fall off. Just as long as it doesn't bang up the cab, I'll be okay. But I'll probably go from the side and just fold it over. I decided I'm probably not gonna keep the stack. And right now it's seized, rusted, welded to the exhaust. So I unbolted everything in hopes that once the cab gets picked up, that will actually get disconnected from the exhaust since it's all unbolted. So we'll see what happens there. As you guys can tell, I put a spare tire on there. But that's pretty much it. So enjoy the show, guys. We'll see what happens. So as you can see, we were able to get the bed off of the cab. Pretty simple. Really not much to it. And just as I thought, the exhaust fell off, which is good. So I'm glad it came off the way it did. Take a look at this frame, guys. You know, it really doesn't look too bad. It really doesn't. You know, after working with GM trucks so much, it's very interesting to see this. I know it's a different generation, so it's kind of hard to compare the classic body style versus this 99. But this frame is so chintzy. It's so like thin and tiny. It's incredible. But I'm pretty amazed how clean this frame actually looks. It looks a lot better than the Victory Max that we built. Either way, guys, we're going to sandblast this entire frame anyways. This cab's coming off the frame. The Cummins engine, the 24 valve is coming out, the transmission, all that stuff. Matter of fact, I don't know if I told you guys this, but this thing has 200 over injectors on it. It's studded. It has a built transmission, Suncoast fully built trans. It's got a Dana 80 in the rear, so it's an upgraded rear end. Matter of fact, if any of you guys know this gentleman, his name is Mike Hallis. He died a while ago. He owned his own diesel performance shop in Michigan. He was one of those guys back in the day that you'd want to actually get your transmission rebuilt. That guy was the dude. He was the man. He was really good with the power strokes as well. Not so much with the Duramax, but that guy rebuilt that transmission, which I think is really cool. Guys, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and junk this thing in the backyard for right now. I'll probably take it to the scrapyard some other time. Matter of fact, I got 3 beds just laying around in the back of my yard somewhere. I think that's when you know you have a problem though, right? We're gonna go ahead and find a parking spot for this thing because I'm not putting it in my garage right now because I just had a box show up for the LBZ Duramax, the red truck. So stay tuned for that video. That's probably gonna be my next one.
What? Where?
Yeah, she doesn't even know about it. Christmas time, baby.
Oh.
Got some diesel parts. I'm excited.
I see what it is.
So I'll show you guys that. That'll be a different video. I'm pretty pumped about that. I'm really sorry, honey. You're gonna have to steer this big old pile of pig.
Well, hopefully it's easier
somewhere
with the tires aired up a little bit.
I aired up the tires. The front tires were really low. They were like 15 psi, so I put them at like 40 psi. So you should be able to turn the truck a lot easier.
My arm's gonna
It's still gonna
sore.
suck though. You're not gonna enjoy it.
I was literally like hanging on the, like trying to pull it down.
Yeah.
It was not budging.
Oh no, I get it. I do.
Did you show them how you pushed me into the side of the...
If you could drive the skid steer, then I'll gladly steer the Cummins. I have no problem with that, but you don't know how to drive a skid steer, so...
I don't think you want me driving the skid
I really
steer.
don't want you to drive that thing. Here, so check this out. I have to highlight this to my wife. Maybe I'm just crazy. So look at this frame right here. See it?
Yes.
All right. You see what I'm saying, guys? A lot more beef with these Duramaxes.
Yeah. Wow.
A lot more
look at
beef.
that. Look at the width in that.
Yeah.
Compared to that.
But you got to understand something. This is a 99. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take that back. This goes all the way up to 02. And this frame is the same for an 01 Silverado 2500 HD.
Did you do this or was that there?
I probably did that. No, Mitchell backed up into the tree in our front yard.
Oh, is that the same dent?
Yeah.
I thought he got that fixed.
Yep. So I'll be replacing that.
Did you show them the cracks in the windshield?
Yeah, I got the front windshield, guys, I'm going to end up replacing.
There's some cracks.
But it's not that big of a deal.
You can see it better right here.
Yep.
What happened to the back seats?
He took them out so we can go fast.
So does he still have them?
Weight reduction.
He don't have them?
No, he sold them.
Oh, really?
It's all right. No big deal.
Well, I guess less work for you of tearing things out.
I'm really, guys, this is what really gets me the most. It's
Yeah,
like
that's bad.
the amount of money that I'm going to spend on rockers and cab corners and time, Bondo, welding, everything. It's actually going to be cheaper if I just swap cabs.
Did he already try to repair some of this?
No. No, but there's like this rugged texture to the
Yeah, that's
to the
what I was
panel.
wondering. Like, it looks like something had been done to it already.
But clearly it didn't stop anything. I'm still kind of debating whether or not, I read your comments, but I'm still debating on whether or not I should replace the cab or repair everything.
Hey, Earl.
What?
Don't forget to put your cap back on.
Here, catch.
No.
Oh.
You're gonna hit me right in the face. Water or anything getting in there, right?
Good job. Way to go, Mom.
We gotta move Private Pile.
All right, so let's go ahead and move Private Pile out of the way. That's not its official name, by the way. It's
Hey,
just
yeah,
funny.
he can be promoted to Sergeant Pile when it's all done.
I thought it was going to be Lieutenant
Or
Dan.
he can do Lieutenant Dan. Oh, he could be, well,
Lieutenant Dan had no leg. See, but you see, Private Pile offed himself.
I know
And he killed his
that.
drill sergeant.
I know, but it's a pile right now.
You guys think I'm wasting my money, and I probably am. But, guys, I'm going to redo everything, okay? Everything. Brake lines, all that. I mean, the frame's getting sandblasted. Everything's coming off the frame. This truck's going to be completely different looking when we're done with it, okay? So please bear with me here. Just don't look at it for what it is, but think about what it could be. What do you want to hit?
I don't even need that.
Okay, what are you doing?
Oh,
doing some body work.
Let me fix it a little bit. I gotta pop that back out. I gotta fix it. There. It's a little better.
All right, we good?
Yeah, I'm not gonna whistle and diesel it or anything. Come on, Earl.
If you guys got a set of stock tires, stock rollers, help us out. I'll trade you. These are Mickey Thompsons. They still have tread on them. There's only one that needs to get repaired. It needs to get patch plugged. But let me know in the comments, because yeah. But wow, what a crazy day today. I'm glad I was able to get all that done. It's pretty cool that I'm able to post on Christmas Day as well. And it's also kind of neat that we're running another giveaway. It looks like every single video that I've posted so far, I've been running a giveaway. I do appreciate you guys subscribing to me, following me, watching the videos as we, continue all these builds, because we have a lot going on. It's really only me, and I definitely have my hands full. But what better way to share the knowledge and just educate the diesel community with me doing this and just turning the camera on and showing you, because that's pretty much all I'm doing. Pretty cool that I can post on Christmas Day. Guys, Christmas Day is to celebrate the birth of Jesus, and it's just a giving holiday. But guys, let me know in the comments what you think about the frame. I personally think it doesn't look too bad, and I can't wait to pull that cab. I can't wait to pull the motor, get that thing out for sandblasting, powder coating. Then again, guys, I need you to bear with me on that build because, of course I have other things going on. That's all the time that I have for today. Again, hit that notification bell. You guys can't miss an episode. We'll see you on the next video. Let's get to work. Since we're this far, we might as well go ahead and wrap the hubcaps. Why not? Almost done, guys. I'm still routing the wires. But, man, I wish I had more lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and park it in front of the house, and I'm gonna tell all the kids to come look at it because they don't even know it's done yet, except for my little one. So what do you think, Jenny? Think I could drive down the road with it?
Maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes, but not like
I don't think so. I think that Christmas paper would fly right off the truck. Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and take care.